What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I'm on the Lexus RX330 today, and so there's one thing that I had to address, that I had to fix on this car is as you can hear it is the exhaust leak. This came out of nowhere, and every time I floor it, you can hear this really bad exhaust leak, and it seemed like I'm losing also some power as well. I got like a check engine light and a VSC light that both came on at the same time, and I googled it what that both means, and it usually means like some sort of like O2 sensor that went back. So that pretty much means that like there's an exhaust leak before the O2 sensor. So I'm going to my friend David's shop. I'm gonna get an oil change as well and have him lifted up the car so I can see under the car where the exhaust leak is coming from. Hopefully the exhaust leak it's a small little hole, hopefully that he can weld it up, patch it up for me real quick. It's an old car. I'm not trying to spend too much money on getting a new exhaust pipe system or anything, so hopefully it's just a small hole. So yeah, going to his place right now, and I'll show you what it sounds like exactly on the outside. Yeah, I think the exhaust leak is coming on the front. Hopefully it's not too bad. Alright, so the exhaust leak is coming from this. Seems like the bolt is pretty busted, so we're going to be replacing with a new bolt. Luckily it's just that the pipes are good. It's pretty rusty on all the bolts, but this is where the leak is coming. You can definitely feel it. Yeah, the exhaust gasket is busted. We'll switch out a new one. Exhaust hanger is busted too. Alright, it's all cleaned up. The old gasket is out. Got the new gasket. Now the new gasket is in. Looking good, all shiny. Alright, all the bolts are tightened up. New bolts, new gasket. Alright, let's fire it up and see if it fixes the exhaust leak. So I just left my friend's shop, and he fixed my exhaust, new gasket, and that's pretty much what where the leak was coming from. And as you can hear, let me floor it. It's quiet, and I feel like the power is kind of back to normal now. Before it was like really sluggish. Very happy. Before there was like a check engine light and the VSC light. Now it's gone actually, so I guess that was the problem. The exhaust leak fixed that issue. Hope you guys enjoy this series of this RX330, where I'm going to try to attempt to make everything back into its tip-top shape. And we'll see you guys later. Peace out, guys.